How to fix top bar menu not showing on Mac. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix top bar menu not showing on MacBook Pro and Air. Let's get started without wasting any time. To show top bar menu, first open the launchpad on your Mac. On the launchpad, open System Settings. After that, scroll down a bit and click on Control Center. After opening the Control Center, scroll down and here you will see an option like Automatically Hide and Show the Menu Bar. If this option is set to always, the menu bar will not be visible, no matter what screen you are on. The menu bar will only appear when you move the pointer up. It will be visible for a while. As soon as move the pointer down, the menu bar will disappear again. So what you have to do? You have to remove it from always and never it. As soon as you never, this time the top bar menu will appear and stick to the screen. That's all. Like and share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.